Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet again to another video. You're in Digital Marketpreneur. If you're brand new to this channel, you know we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And in this video we're going to talk about how you guys can earn up to $500 by doing translations on the internet. Okay, and there's plenty of companies that actually are looking for people to translate documents, and there's many ways that you guys can make this. This works worldwide because there's documents that need to be translated from English to many languages. Think about Spanish, French, Japanese, Portuguese. There's so many ways, and I'm gonna show you some websites that are hiring right now. Not only they're hiring you, but if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a nice bonus that you guys can start using right now, so you guys can start earning even more money. Okay, so we're gonna jump into my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. And if you're brand new to my channel, before we go in there, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. So let's go to my computer. So this is the first company. It's called Latium.org, not Latium.com. That's one of the first mistakes people do. Okay, so when you get here, you're gonna sign up, and then we're gonna click on what it says, I want to work. Okay, and then you're gonna fill out your information. All right, and we're gonna go here, and this is where we're gonna take a look, browse for projects. Okay, now this is one thing that I found out. When you sign up and you get verified, you're gonna get an extra $1 that you're getting paid, so they can check that you are really interested on work with them. Okay, in this button right here, they have support if you have any questions. And we gonna go into, as you can see, they hire freelancers. You got graphics designers, social digital marketing, website and software, but we are interested in translation and languages. Okay, and we're gonna click on that, and as you can see, seeking native English speaker with fantastic translation English to Portuguese, 23 minutes. Okay, and rewards offers $500 to $1,000. Okay, these are paid on different ways: Ethereum, dollars, Bitcoin. There's many different ways you guys get paid. This one is a $25 to $100. This one offers you another one that is translating sales brochures English to Spanish, $500 to $1,000. This one is $100 to $500 in Bitcoin. And as you can see, there's many of different jobs that you guys can do. Okay, so you guys see that the potential is there for you guys to earn up to $500, especially when you subscribe. The good thing about this website is at least you're getting a little bit of money up front, right? $1 is nothing, but at least you know they're legit wanted to pay you. It's a legit website. We're gonna go to the next one, and the next one is called Onebabble.com, and they're looking for translators. Put your language skill to use, so you can, use your language if you speak a second language and put it to a good work by doing this. Okay, and there's plenty of work to go around. The payments are made through PayPal and Pioneer, so and this is worldwide because PayPal is everywhere, right? Then you gotta sign up. Then they're gonna test you. Some of these companies are going to test your skill, so you are going to complete the training task, and then you're gonna start getting paid. Okay, so these are a few of the questions, and we're gonna click on this one because it says, can I work on my phone or tablet? And it says yes. You gotta download their app to translate on the go. So they're even giving you an app so you guys can work on this. Okay, now I was looking around, and it says, how much can you actually earn by working with Onebabble? Well, it says, looking for figures from Indeed.com, translators can earn $20 an hour, up to $400 a day. You get better and better with every single job that you go take from this company. You can earn, your potential earnings are incredible. Okay, we are gonna go into the next website, and the next website is called onehourtranslations.com. Okay, and you go here and we're gonna look for translators. Join as a translator. Okay, you gotta go click and you gotta create your account. You know how this works. And then you gotta take an exam. You gotta get reviewed by the staff. You gotta receive certifications. That's how you're going to get the jobs. Okay, you're gonna start working and get rated, and then you get the bigger projects, and that's how you guys can start getting paid. Like I said, some of these companies are going to see how is your quality of translation. And I was looking for information, and it says the 1 hour translations pay up to $12 an hour. Okay, you see right here, to give a general impression about the hour average payment. And it says that starting for a project which takes an hour is $12. Okay, so as you can see, it's consistency with the payments, and there's a lot of earnings that you guys can actually make by doing translations online. You know, we're gonna move to the next one. The next one is Gengo. Okay, and Gengo also is looking for translators. Become a translator. You're gonna click on that, and then you are going to create your account. Now we're gonna go here and translations. All right, people can order online, and if we click in here, see there's quite a few of languages right there, and then we're gonna click on pricing and languages. Okay, so as you can see, that the company's charging 6 cents per word. You know, and advanced they're charging 12, and then they have contact sales, they're probably charging even more depending on the quality of the translators. So this is where it comes in for you to become really good at it, because you can even earn even more once you get to this level of being on big projects and enter, you know, that translation team. You can earn very, very high commissions. As you can see on the previous companies, they pay very well. Now, the one tip that I want to give you, and this is like the bonus that I want to give you towards the end of this video, is you're probably thinking, well, yeah, I have to write it down or something, but what if you can use a free tool on the internet to do the translations for you? Okay, now we are going to go into Google, right? So we gotta go to Google, and you gotta enter Google Translator. Okay, and not a lot of people are aware of this. So as you can see right here, you gotta enter a text, right? And I'm gonna write it in Spanish. Por favor, trabaje duro para hacer dinero en la internet. Okay, you see right there, please work hard to make money online. All right, this is a perfect example of a tool that you guys can use, because when you get the jobs, you gotta get a PDF file probably. You can just copy it, paste it on this, and then you get the entire translation, and you kind of like proofread it, right? We're gonna go, if you click on Google Translate, you're gonna end up right here. And then you're gonna think to yourself, well, this is much better because you can actually upload documents. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna click on documents, and I'm gonna pick something that I have on the computer just to show you the example. All right, so as you can see, I picked this document. It's in English. We're gonna move it to French, and you're gonna click on translate. And as you can see right there, it's being translated to French. Then you just take this information, right? And you're gonna copy and paste it. You're gonna take this information and you're gonna copy and paste it into your job description, or whenever you know they ask you to deliver the information, and the earning potential right there. You see how quick it was? Now you can copy and paste this the way it is. You kind of like reproof it quick, and then you send it back. How many documents can you make a day when you actually have a tool like Google Translate to do the work for you? Okay, and As you can see, the potential is there. There's plenty of companies that are hiring right now. All you need to do is start taking action, go sign up, and start earning up to $500 by doing translation online. So all you gotta do is start taking action. I always tell you this: take action, and it's the only way you guys gonna start earning money online. With that being said, if you want to do affiliate marketing and you want to promote clickbank products, I released a 4-video series, and the first video is coming right now at the end, so you guys can go take a look at it. Check all 4 videos so you guys know the step-by-steps, understanding what is clickbank and the marketplace explained, and then you guys follow the steps so you guys can start earning even more money by doing affiliate marketing and with clickbank products. With that being said, guys, I appreciate very much you watching. I'll see you in the next one.